I'm Maria Aman, working in Dr. Donna Slater's lab during HYRS 2011 at the University of Calgary. My favorite social event was the first social event, which was the games night, mostly because it was so exciting just to meet everyone, to hear all their stories, and to find all our similar interests coming together. The most complicated phrase I've learned this summer is secretory phospholipase A2 isoforms.
Hi, my name is Hafeez. I'm working in Dr. Fidek's lab this summer as part of HYRS 2011 at the University of Calgary. My favorite brown bag lunch was the one where we got to learn about scholarships and studentships because I think it was the most useful for us as we're all going into grade 12 and applying it for university soon. My favorite social event was going laser tagging because it helped us all get a little bit of our competitiveness out.
Hi, my name is Shafka and I work in Dr. Herman Barkema's lab. I'm a 2011 participant in the HYRS program at the University of Calgary. My favorite brown bag lunch this summer was the one where we did a university student panel, and we just learned a lot about the actual university life for a student. My favorite social event that we did was laser tag. We got to dress up in bright neon clothing, and I was the only one that glowed in the UV light.
Hi, my name is Mark Dumbriek. I'm working in Dr. Corey Toth's lab for the 2011 HYRS program at the University of Calgary. My favorite social event was alumni bowling because it was a great chance to meet a lot of the alumni and find out where they are today after doing HYRS. I'm really looking forward to the brown bag lunch on learning how to Dougie because I think everyone will have a lot of fun and it'll be really funny to see everyone hopefully screw up and such.
Hi. My name is Nathan Eskandor, and I am a 2011 HYRS participant in Dr. Frank Jerk's lab at the University of Calgary. My favorite social event this summer was definitely watching Captain America with the other HYRS participants because I'm a huge comic book buff. Probably the most complicated phrase I've learned this summer is phosphatidylinosyl 3 kinase, which is a signaling pathway in cells.
Hello, my name is Alexa Canters. I'm part of the 2011 HYRS program here at the University of Calgary. My favorite social event for the HYRS program was when we all went laser tagging. It was very difficult and it required a lot more coordination than I'd anticipated. My favorite brown bag lunch was when we talked about student sponsorships, as that provided me with a lot of information that's very useful for my future.
Hi, I'm Ben Webster, and I'm working in the HYRS program at the University of Calgary. So my favorite social event this summer was Summer Stock because we all just got to go, enjoy ourselves, sit outside and watch some lovely theater performance. The most complicated phrase I learned this summer was Mycobacterium avium paratuberculosis. It is a bacteria that causes Johne's disease in cattle.
Hi, I'm Colin McFarland, and I'm working in Dr. Saed's lab in the Department of Neuroscience at the University of Calgary in the HYRS program. The most complicated phrase I learned this summer was oligodendrocytes. It's a type of neuron that insulates axons. My favorite social activity this summer was laser tag. We got to run around in costumes shooting each other.
Hi, I'm Luc Boutin, and I work in Dr. Teskey's lab at the University of Calgary in the HYRS program. My favorite social event was definitely laser tag because I got to see a darker side of Kimia. My favorite brown bag lunch was the one on scholarships because previously I didn't really know about scholarships. Barely knew they existed, so yeah.
My name is Brianna Snell, and I am working at Tony Shriver's lab at the University of Calgary, and I'm part of the HYRS program. The most complicated piece of equipment that I used this summer was the spectrophotometer, which measures how much DNA is in your sample. The most interesting brown bag lunch that we had this year at HYRS was the career panel, where we got to learn about many different careers around the world related to medicine.